Good morning all. Today I am going to discuss about the topic conjunctions. In this chapter I am going to discuss about the usage of few of the conjunctions. Now what are conjunction? A conjunction is a joining word. It joins words, group of words or sentences. So beta, just like we join two things together, like if we have got two bricks, how do we join them? By putting a layer of cement. If we have got two pieces of cloth, how do we join? We stitch them. So beta, just the same way, conjunction is a joining word and it joins words, group of words or sentences. Now like Mona is tall and slim. A boat is small but a ship is bigger. I can go to Delhi by car or by bus. So and, but, or, because, although, these are all conjunctions. And in this, I'm going to explain you one by one. Now with our usage of conjunctions, so we're going to understand about a few conjunctions, how they are used and where they are used. Now first is and, shows relation of two things, two words of the same parts of speech, a noun and pronoun, or two short sentences expressing similar ideas. So and is used better when they are showing relations between two things or two words of the same parts of speech, a noun and a pronoun, or two short sentences which are expressing similar ideas. I love to eat cake and ice cream. We will stop at Delhi and Agra. Ram and Sham are good friends. So we are talking of two persons or same parts of speech, noun, pronoun. So then we use and. Next beta second is but. It shows contrast or opposite ideas. Now beta, my dress looks great, but it is uncomfortable. I called Ram, but he was not at home. He is honest, but lazy. So we are talking beta of a same person or same thing, but having different opposite ideas. Now beta, next is third or. It indicates choice between two ideas or things. Like, would you like tea or coffee? He should go inside or take an umbrella. Will you eat pakora or samosa? So we are giving a choice and you can say yes or no. Now beta, next is fourth is because, as, since. Beta, three of these conjunctions, beta, they are there. They indicate the reason for something happening. When something is happening, it is because of some reason. Like she spoke softly because she did not want him to wake. As she did not want him to wake. Since she did not want him to wake. I wanted to drink something first as I was thirsty, because I was thirsty, since I was thirsty. Since it was grandmother's birthday, I made a card. So beta, there is some reason is there for something to happen. Now beta, next is fifth, when. It shows time. If I say, when did you come? I came in the morning, or I just came, or I came 2 hours before. So it is a time. The mangoes ripen when the weather is warm. Give your mother my regards when you meet her. So it is telling you the time period. Now beta, sixth is if. Is used to join sentences which show that a condition has to be fulfilled for something to take place. Because something is happening there, but there is some condition to it. Then we use if. If you do not finish the assignment, you will get a low score. If you work hard, you will succeed. If you run fast, you can catch the bus. So there is some condition. Next is beta, although, though. It means in spite of. Shows a fact that makes another fact look surprising or unusual. Although he was scared, he did not run away. Though it was raining, it was still hot. So beta, these are facts are very surprising and unusual, because at rain time, how it can be hot? Or if you're scared but you're still standing there, it's not feasible, beta. It's not possible. If I am scared, I'll run away or I'll hide somewhere. So it shows some surprising or unusual facts. Now with the next eighth is until till. It's used when something goes on till a certain time. Like, I will not leave my room until I finished my work. Rita waited for Anita till 5 p.m. I will wait for you till you arrive. So there is some time period is there and you are talking for that time. Next, beta is ninth is that shows consequence. Beta, there is some consequence of your action. Like she was so happy that she started jumping. That there is some consequence. She was very happy, so she started jumping. I have heard that it is a holiday tomorrow. Now, beta, then is 10th is so that. Beta, this is for purpose. There is some purpose of your action. We will practice so that we win the competition. Why we will practice? Because so that we win the competition. My parents rented our house so that we could stay near the school. Why your parents rented the house? Their own house they have rented. Why? So that they can stay near the school. Maybe your house is little away from the school. So your parents have rented their house and they have taken another house near the school. So beta, these are the few conjunctions and their usage. There are many conjunctions beta, but for you I have discussed these few conjunctions. Hope you have understood these conjunctions well. Thank you.